Good morning, Lions, and welcome to Trivia Tuesday. This is Mix Ellsbury, and I will be your host. Let's just take a few minutes to go over how to access the game and then a couple of quick rules. So first, how to access Kahoot. You are going to need to download the app on your phone or your tablet. You will not need to make an account. When you are in the App Store, make sure you choose the Kahoot app that has this as their logo. Next, once you've downloaded the app, you will have this as your main page. To play the game, you'll need to go to Enter PIN. Once you've done that, this screen should show up. You will enter the PIN number that I will give you on the Google Classroom Lions Den at 2:50 p.m. Next, it's going to ask you for your name, and for all the Trivia Tuesdays, we're just going to have you type in your first name and the first letter of your last name. So a few examples would be Angel L, Maria Z, or Christian V. Here's a few rules, friends. So first, be logged on and ready to play by 3 o'clock p.m. Again, I will have that PIN number posted in the Lions Den Google Classroom by 2:50 p.m. Number 2, no inappropriate names, just that first name and the first letter of your last name. Anything else, you will be kicked off of the game. Number 3, please don't cheat. And 4, if you do have siblings at home who wish to play with you, just play as a team. Last time I'm going to say this, I will post the game pin by 2:50 p.m. each Tuesday, so please be logged on with the pin, your name, and ready to play by 3 o'clock. Once I start the game at 3 o'clock, you can no longer enter the game if you have not already. Each week, I will take the top 3 scores, take those names, put them in a jar, and in about 4 weeks, on May 4th, I'm going to draw 3 names out of that jar, and those 3 lucky winners will get a prize in the mail from me. If you have any questions or comments, please send a message through the Lions Den Google Classroom. Super excited to see you later, friends. Thank you.